solve this.
By substituting only z.
P is equal to
Okay.
N.
Yes, very good. If we substitute only z, it will be having PQXY, and PQXY is the form number 3. Px on one side, Q and Y on other side, and we can solve, right? So first thing is we should put something for that P. What is that P?
Dou z by dou x.
Yes,
Dou
very good. Dou z by dou x square minus dou z by dou y square Q x minus y. We just put P and Q. Then that z should go inside. How it will go in?
Root z.
Very good. Root z dou z by dou x bracket square minus inside of this two. So root z dou z by dou y bracket square is equal to x minus y. Okay, and you have decided now to convert it into form 3. Can you just check, can we convert it into form 1 or 2? Is it possible? Form 1 means there should be only P and Q, no X, Y, Z. So X should go with all X, dou X, and Y should go with dou Y. Is this possible in this case? Z goes inside and it goes with dou Z. But it is X minus Y. Will only X go with dou X? Or only Y will go with dou Y? Will this happen? असं होऊ शकतं का?
No,
ट्राय
ma'am.
करून बघा. हा इथं निगेटिव्ह आहे. मल्टिप्लाय असता तर दोघांना इकडे मल्टिप्लाय असता तर गेला असता. पण एक्स कसा जाईल आता? ह्या दोघांमधनं एक्स निघून कसा जाईल? जाणार नाही. बरोबर आहे. So जरी तुम्ही ट्राय केला की मी करते याला फॉर्म 2 नी फॉर्म 1 नी तर होणार नाहीये. डू यू अंडरस्टँड का होणार नाहीये? Can anyone explain why form 1 reducible or form 2 reducible is not happening here?
Because, ma'am, there is minus sign between two x.
Yes, minus is there, but we cannot separate all x with x and all y's with y. Separation is not happening, right? So only the thing we can make together z, the variables all z together. So it will convert into form 3 only by substitution. What is the substitution? Put
Put
dou
root
z is
Yes.
equal to dou capital
root
Z.
z. Yes, dou z is dou capital Z. So integrate next. What is integration? This is z just to half
P by 2.
root z is
by
equal to
2
capital Z.
upon 3 by 2 is capital Z. But upon 3 by 2 can be what? 2 goes up, 2 by 3, z raised to 3 by 2 is capital Z. Okay, this is what the value of. We substitute it in this equation 1 say. The equation 1 becomes, for this only we have to write dou capital Z upon dou x square. Okay. So 1 becomes dou capital Z by dou which x? Small? Small or capital?
Small.
Small. We only substitute for Z. So Z get in capital, but x, y is all are small. Minus here is dou capital Z upon dou y square is equal to x minus y. Which is of the form?
P square
Form
minus
of
Q.
Minus Q square equal to X
p
minus Y.
square minus q square is x minus y. That is of form 3. That is form 3 is p and x should be on one side. हा x इकडे घ्या. p square minus x आणि q आणि y हा दुसऱ्या बाजूला. So हा q square तिकडे टाका. q square minus y is equal to a से. Right? Now both are equal to a. P square minus x is a and q square minus y is a. From this we have to find p. So p square is x plus a and q square is y plus a. So we are interested in pq, so taking square root plus minus root x plus a, and q is plus minus root y plus a. PQs are there. So what is the solution? Therefore, let me write it as 2.
P capital
Therefore,
Z is equal
Capital.
yes, yes. Therefore, from 2, solution of 2 is dou capital Z is what? P dx
PD
plus
plus
Q.
plus QD.
So we substitute the values capital Z because the equation is in capital Z and all other small. So it is small. Baki sab. P is plus minus root x plus a dx plus q. Q is plus minus root y plus a dy. Now integrate. Integration of this is capital Z. What is integration of this?
2 by 3 a plus x bracket 3 raised 3 by 2.
3 by 2. Very good. Plus minus can be there. X plus a raised to half with this. Something raised to n. So integration is something raised to n plus 1. Upon n plus 1 upon 3 by 2. That will be 2 by 3. 2 will go up into derivative of something which is 1. Same here. 2 by 3 y plus a raised to 3 by 2 plus c. But this is capital Z.
2
Capital
by
Z was z square by 2. Yes. No. 2 by 3. Yes. 2 by 3 z raised to 3 by 2 is plus minus 2 by 3 x plus a raised to 3 by 2 plus minus 2 by 3 y plus a raised to 3 by 2. I can write plus minus 2 by 3c. It's my choice. So everywhere there is 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 will get cancelled. If you want, then only write. Then it is plus minus x plus a raised to 3 by 2 plus minus. That plus minus you also can take out. Plus minus y plus a raised to 3 by 2 plus c. This is the solution. If you want more something, so we can take square on both sides and whatever. But no need to do. This is your solution. Or else this also can be your solution. तुम्ही इथेही थांबू शकता. 2 by 3 कॉमन दिसत असेल काढला तरी चालेल. Any doubt? Chalo, we have taken 2 examples. I think we should go to the next one. Right. Solve. P square plus Q square is equal to Z square into X plus Y. Chalo, we solve this by which form is this? Is this any standard first of all? No. Standard are PQ, PQZ, PQXY. This is not standard. So we should convert it into standard. So right, P is dou Z by dou X square. Q is dou Z by dou Y square is equal to Z square into X plus Y. So my next question to you is, can you convert it into form 1? Can you convert it into form 2? Or can we convert it into form 3? Or can we convert it into all of the 3 forms? Think and tell me.
No, ma'am, only in the form 3 we can convert it.
Can't we convert it into form 1? Just check. All are requested to check. Can we do the form 1 or 2? form 1 or 2 means substitution for form 1, substitution for all x, y, z. In all x together, all y together, all z together. This should happen. Second is x, y should get substituted. So x, y. Think for these two substitution. Will this happen?
Dou z by dou z फक्त.
Only z will happen. Okay, very good. Dou x and dou y, about dou x and dou y, will they come? X, y. X आणि y चे सगळ्या टर्म्स कलेक्ट टुगेदर होतील का, एकत्र येतील का?
No, ma'am.
नाही येणार. करायचा जर प्रयत्न केला, इथनं तुम्ही x काढला, x कॉमन निघेल, पण इथे y बाय x होईल त्यावेळेस. x x ला जाईल पण y ला x राहील. म्हणजे हे इथे सेपरेशन x आणि y चं होतच नाहीये. x आणि y चा विषय संपला. z जाईल का z सोबत?
Yes, ma'am.
Z
जाईल.
मल्टिप्लाय येस, z जाऊ शकतो. z जाईल. बरोबर. म्हणजे ओनली सबस्टिट्यूशन ऑफ z होईल आणि फक्त जर सबस्टिट्यूशन z चं झालं तर हा PQXY फॉर्म होईल, म्हणजे फॉर्म नंबर 3 होईल. हे सगळेच क्वेश्चन्स सगळ्याच फॉर्म मध्ये रिड्यूस होतात असं नाहीये. देर आर सम पर्टिक्युलर जे फक्त फॉर्म 1 लाच होतील. दोज आर few which will get converted into form 2 only and some are in form 3 only. So you have to think. Next, divide by z square. Right here if you want. Divide by z square. So we get 1 upon z square dou z by dou x square. Same here, 1 upon z square dou z by dou y square. Z square cancel, x plus y. Now, how it will go in? That z square
1
should go inside. 1 upon z. Or can I write dou z by z
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
upon that dou x as it is, bracket square? It is in denominator, yes, it goes in denominator, dou z by z square, dou x as it is, square. Same here, it will also go in the denominator upon dou y, bracket square, is x plus y. Substitution only for z. So put dou z by z is dou capital Z. Integrate. What is integration?
Log z.
Log
Yes.
Z.
So it is log z is capital Z. Therefore, equation 1 becomes, for this we write dou capital Z by dou x square, dou capital Z by dou y square is x plus y, which is of the form
P square plus Q square is equal to X plus Y.
yes. Do this. We have 2 minutes. Do it fast. Which is of the form? Have you written? Which form is this?
3.
Yes.
P square
That
plus
is
Q